Hi everyone, welcome to TadiBrothers. I'm Tamir, and in this video we're going to discuss the tablet holder for any vehicle cup holder. SKU number on the TadiBrothers website is SKU 30023. You go to our search bar on the top of the page and you put in 30023. This product will pop up and you can order 1, 2, 10, as many as you like. In this video, we're going to show you why you want to do that, and we're also going to assemble the product. First thing I want to go over is all the components that you get with the product. When you purchase it, you get this heavy weighted base with the expandable feet. It also has this gooseneck that lets you turn this around different angles to get you that perfect angle. I'll show you how to use that in a second. You also get the holder for the tablet. Okay, you can see it's got all these different expansions on it to fit like that. You know, it's got a lot of stuff. It's really cool. And like this, so it shrinks down to this. You could even put a phone in it. I'll show you that also in this video. And you get this ring that helps you, that lets you tighten the display or the holder so you get that perfect position. Okay, now this thing here lets you solve that issue of you have a big tablet, you're using it for GPS or whatever else you're using in the vehicle, you have a lot of things you want to push on it. This will allow you to leave it in one stable position and touch it and do whatever you need in arm's length in a very convenient fashion. This is so heavy duty that you can use it even off-roading if you're using the maps for that. And also you have these knobs that you can just tighten this thing so it will not move. So if you're going, again, off-roading or on a bad road or anything like that, this will keep it stable so that you always know what you're doing and you're always looking at the picture in a stable way. Okay, so first let's put this thing together. All right, here we have the weighted base that you can see here. It also has these expandable feet. This is a really cool feature that comes with this, because when you twist this around, this knob right here, right, it expands the feet. The more they expand, they create a tight, like vice, like connection inside the cup holder. That's what allows it to fit in any type of vehicle. I mean, look how much these things have expanded. I mean, this is about an inch in there plus whatever the cup holder is. So this will fit any vehicle. If you have a small car, big car, golf cart, a Polaris, whatever you want to use this for, this will allow you to do that. It also makes it easy to swap it from vehicle to vehicle. So if you're going to take it on a trip and you need a rental car, a lot of our customers take this stuff with them. They enjoy the trip more when you can, you know, point it to the other direction for the driver, for the passenger, and they can watch a movie. You also can pass it to the back seat, connect it to a cup holder there so that the kids can watch it, gives you some peace and quiet. I know that's something that would be appreciated. Anyways, this expands the feet and contracts them. These are the heavy duty feet right here. And now let's connect it to the gooseneck. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to loosen up this thing here, this knob, and we're going to expand this. And you can decide if you want it pointing down or pointing up. I like it pointing up. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take this ring with the grooves or the teeth of it facing out. And then we're going to take the head, the holder of the tablet. We're going to click it in like that. When you hear the click, you're there, and then we're going to tighten it up. Now let's not go nuts with the tightening, because I'm going to show you what this thing does. And then also let's get this thing tight a little bit just so we can get it stable. Okay, like that. And now we're good. All right, so now the reason I didn't want you to tighten it is because when you put the tablet in there, you're going to want to lock it into a certain position. So you want to tighten it a little bit here. And then once you get the tablet in there and you put it in your vehicle, you'll get that position that you want. Also, you might want it, you know, closer or farther away from you, depending how you want it. So you can loosen it up, get that perfect position, point it down, point it upwards. It's a lot of different configurations to give you that perfect view for whoever's watching it, right? So now let's get a tablet in there. So I got this tablet right here. What I'm doing is I'm going to expand the feet. You can see here, we're going to hold both of these together, and that's how we open it up both ways. Okay? So again, you close it like that. If you do one, it's not going to do much. But if you hold both of them, it's going to open the whole thing up. Once it gets to the higher position, look, it still has a spring to lock it in. So you have that extra oomph to keep it tight. Now let's get the tablet in there. I want to hold my tablet in this dimension, right, in this direction, like that. And we're going to tighten it. Okay, when you don't hear the clicks, you know you're good. And now we are good to go. So you see how it falls like this, right? Because I let it go. That's because I didn't tighten it over here. So now I'm going to tighten it to the position like this. And now I'm going to tighten it up like that. Okay, and now you can see it's not moving. It's not falling. There you go. You see what I'm saying? You go nuts, it's not going anywhere. And that's the point. That's the beauty of this thing. Also, right, you can make this thing completely extended and it's still not going to go down because these knobs are heavy duty and construction grade. We build this with semi-trailers in mind. I know that a cup holder is a cup holder, but semi-trailers means heavy use. They're going to use it a lot. They're going to use it all the time when they're driving down the road. And again, this is not bending. See what I mean? It's not going anywhere. Still that same degree in the position. Okay? So just so you see it here, let me open this up a little bit so we get a better angle. 1 second here. Okay, so here we have the tablet, just so you can see this is a regular phone in here. So we're using a tablet. That's how big this tablet is compared to the phone itself. One of the other benefits of this thing, it allows you to charge it while you're using it. So you still have access to your ports, your charging ports or headphone ports. If you're using Bluetooth, obviously that's not going to be a problem. You can hold this in landscape mode or portrait mode, right? So here, if we loosen this up, right here, like that, and we can flip it around like this, and now we have it in the landscape mode. You can see like this. It just depends on your use. After I unlock it, we'll put it back here, lock it in again, and we are good to go with the tablet itself. You could see. Now I want to show you guys how we use it with a cell phone, just so you have that there. I'll open this up, move the tablet out of the way, and I'm going to close this thing like this. And let's flip this around. Okay, and now we're going to put our phone right here like this, and we're going to tighten it. Boom. And now we have a phone in here. Okay, that's how easy it is. And again, you still have access to the ports. The way we designed it is that it's kind of smart. You could put whatever you want in there and it's going to work. And of course, you could put this in letterbox mode if you want to do that. You know what I mean? It just depends on what your goal is with this, with the device itself, right? So that's how that will work for you. Let me switch this around like that. Other than that, I mean, you've got everything you need here in this thing. This will hold a cell phone. It will hold a tablet. It's designed for a tablet. It's designed for the weight of a tablet. So you have nothing to worry about. It can get really, you can put it up straight like that. You could also move it to the side or the other side like this, depending how you want to do it. It's also going to be very stable when you put it in the vehicle by tightening these rings over here. One other thing I want to remind you of is not to underestimate the importance of the expandable feet. Some of the competition have a similar product. However, they give it to you with multiple layers of cups. So when you get it, you would say perhaps have it with 5 cups, and then your job is to remove the cups until you have that perfect fit. The part that they kind of don't tell you is that you also need a tool, which might be included, but go find that tool at any given moment. So you put a tool in here, and you keep removing the cups. So this avoids that problem. Also, if you want to move it from one type of cup holder to the other, let's say the front to the back, because the back cup holders are sometimes different, this solves that problem because this will fit any cup holder. When you get to your destination, if you're going golfing, you take it out. Now you're on your golf course, and you can see all the stats that you want to see while you're in your golf cart. So there's a lot of nice, fun things you could do with this thing. It's also very durable, and we back that up with a 10-year warranty. Beyond the obvious uses of this, like a minivan car or a truck or a Jeep, this will fit beautifully in boats and golf carts. We've seen this used in many different ways. What makes this product unique is the base itself. Don't underestimate the importance of the heavy duty weighted base with the expandable feet. Again, you don't want to start removing cups or use special tools to reassemble this. It just makes it impossible to move it from front seat to the back seat, let alone rental car to regular car. So you want to definitely take advantage of that. Also, if there's a different style or a different designation that you need for a different cell phone or a tablet, we have an entire category dedicated to these mounts, all with this heavy duty expandable base technology. For more tech support, obviously you can contact our American-based team at 866-966-5550. If you've already purchased from us, I hope this video has helped. If you're still shopping, pop over to TadiBrothers.com or give us a call. It would be an honor to earn your business. From all of us here at Taddy Brothers, thanks for watching and have a great day.